what really makes us different is it starts with the design in the beginning. So typically when you call a general contractor, they don't do design. They're going to have you run around all over town trying to figure out, what tile you want, what fixtures you want, and the homeowner is typically, gosh, this isn't what I do for a living. The other unique thing is that we're coming to the home and we actually have a software program we wrote that actually lets us price it to the penny right there on the spot. And so that's kind of where it starts. And by specializing in bathrooms, we're able to buy a lot of product at a very reasonable price. We can also see the rest of the home, how the person's living. We have physical samples of products so we can match them up to the carpet or whatever the adjacent finishes in the room are. And so by having all these samples and being able to bring them into the home and take them into the bathroom, it just makes a lot more sense.